Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 188 here on season number 2. And today we are getting into I got a P.O. box, and here's why. Beginning like season 1, which was like, oh my gosh, that was like actually almost like a year and 3 months ago when I started it. I wanted something that I could eventually like give an opportunity for the subscribers to like, I guess, create some subscriber involvement, you know? Hence why like I had like a mic in each one of my videos, like a random mic, the weird kind of mic, if you know what I mean. However, basically about 70 episodes into it, I realized that if I let subscribers get involved by sending me different mics to use on the episodes, I would probably get a lot of adult toys. And so I guess, I mean, the internet's like obviously has toxic people. So that was kind of like, you know, I know that I'm going to get some bad stuff, but I pretty much like the sum of what everybody told me that I should use for a mic for the next episode was adult toys. And so I was like, you know what, like eventually like I can get subscribers involved with sending me other mic ideas for the episodes. I put a lot more thought into it, and I was like, I got to come up with something else. Like I just got to come up with something else because I want subscriber involvement, but I don't want it like that. Since I've been doing more like gaming streams on my channel, and these like cloud lights, like I don't know if you could see them, you could probably see them right here in this B-roll. Basically, you know, staring at your computer screen and then having these lights on you for about 2 to 4 hours, well, they really start to hurt your eyes. And so my wife and son actually, we have this thing called the San Diego County Fair. Well, at the San Diego County Fair, they picked me up these glasses, and I was like, oh my goodness, like I should just wear these while I'm on stream or while I'm on front of the camera. And then like all of a sudden it was like, boom, it hit me. Like I was like, wow, I should get subscriber involvement with the sunglasses. Like there's not really many bad things that you can send over in the form of a sunglasses, you know what I mean, or glasses in general. So after some thought and then consulting with some other YouTube creators, I was like, yes, I think that this is a good idea. Let's go set up a P.O. box. Basically, this kind of, you know, runs me right to where I went to the post office. Actually, I ordered online and went to the post office to get it set up, all that kind of stuff, which is unimportant to you. It comes down to I need your help with this. If you have a pair of sunglasses, glasses, spy glasses, heck, any kind of glasses for that matter, or if you just want to send me some fan mail, if you're one of those people that literally can't even come up with an idea, like a letter with the question of the day would be another idea. Obviously, I mean, this comes, you know, like a little disclaimer. Anything has to be appropriate for YouTube, for the stream. And if it's not, when I'm going to open up the fan mail, basically it just won't be featured on the video or on the live stream. Like I'll open the box and I'll be like, oh, okay. And then I'll just move on to the next one. So you might get a name shout out, but you're not going to, your whatever fan mail is not going to make onto the actual video. Also, if it's supposed to be like used as a mic, just feel free to let us know on the actual package. I mean, we can kind of use our user discretion to decide if it's supposed to be a mic or not. But if it's like fan mail, just strictly fan mail, we'll probably figure out another way to keep it as part of the episode. For instance, like right now, putting it on the back table back there would probably be the best idea. However, into the future, I might have to make like a box or something like that, depending on how much fan mail we actually get moving forward, which I assume we'll probably have a whole entire wall full. But as far as the plan goes with the actual glasses, the glasses I think are the most important and kind of the highlight of this overall video. Our plan with them is basically, so if you decide to send a pair of glasses to the P.O. box, to the address, what we will do is they will be featured on the shows up until the point that we get a new pair of glasses from a different subscriber. So for instance, if they're like completely girly glasses or something like that, those are what I'll be wearing up until the point that someone gets annoyed with the glasses and sends me a new pair or whatever it may be. Maybe I'll get like 6 right off the bat and I'll just have to like wear them 6 different times in a row or something. I don't know. But that's kind of the plan moving forward. So once we get a new pair of glasses, the old pair of glasses will go ahead and make a listing on eBay, and we'll go ahead and open it up to an auction. I'll promote it obviously on my channel, on my stream. That way people can go there and auction or buy it if they would like. And then from there, if it actually does sell, we'll take the proceeds and we're going to go ahead and donate the proceeds to a charity, a non-profit. Right now, I don't really have like a non-profit of choice. So I guess probably like maybe the first month while we're still trying to work that out, we'll probably just donate the money to a different streamer that's running a charity stream like that month. So for instance, like I have a few other YouTube creator friends that do charity streams on and off, and so if they're doing the charity stream that month, I'll probably just end up donating the money to their actual nonprofit that they're trying to support for that month. And if the glasses do not sell through auction on eBay, what we will do is we're actually going to go out and get a clear bucket, and we're going to call it the bucket of shame. And from there, we're going to just throw the glasses into the bucket of shame. And those will stay probably on stream or on video. Also, probably over here behind me on this side or something like that. I don't know. They'll be obviously in the frame somewhere. I think that pretty much sums up kind of the idea that I have with glasses. So everything goes to a good cause. So whether you send me glasses or not, just know that once I get a new pair of glasses, that they'll be listed on eBay as far as auction goes, and if they don't sell, bucket of shame. If they do sell, the money will be donated to a non-profit. So yeah, that should be pretty cool, I think. As far as like uploads go, we're gonna kind of get into the nitty-gritty on uploads for the channel and kind of the direction moving forward. For you guys that don't know, my wife was in an accident probably about 3 to 4 months ago. It was I would say a minor kind of fender bender, but all accidents kind of present themselves injury-wise in different forms and shapes. And so basically since the accident, her energy levels have decreased quite substantially, I would say. She doesn't have as much energy as she used to have, I would say, 5 or 6 months ago before the accident. For me, in my pursuit of building my YouTube channel, also trying to branch out with my own business, I thought I would be basically able to balance out the extra things around the house and also while watching Jaycub, which I figured is pretty much impossible. However, to keep the superhuman pace that I was producing and releasing content, I realized basically won't be possible anymore. So for right now, like as far as content coming out on the channel, Jaycub and I will be doing 1 video a week, which is our like weekly food review, or maybe it will be his unboxing of the vegan cuts box, or maybe just another random video that we want to do throughout the week. Then I will also be trying to do 2 investment-related season videos on the actual channel. So those will either look at like a recap video or maybe like some strategy or some education and related to the actual overall market. However, I will pair those also with maybe some basketball-related content, for instance, coaching or that kind of thing. And then also maybe even like once a month or something like that, I won't even do a season video. I'll skip like a season video so that way I can go create some additional content that I would like to create that doesn't have relation to investments. And then also I'll be coming out with 3 Keith condensed videos, so that in case you're like investment related, those will be strictly article reviews. On top of that, on Sunday I'll be releasing a gaming style video. Mostly right now it'll probably just be StarCraft 1 playthrough, but as I start to get more into gaming, I'm sure that I'll develop a system on how I'm going to make that content and hopefully to make that entertaining for the viewers that are on the channel. As the live streams go, the morning gaming streams will carry on as usual. And from 4 to 8 in the morning, basically, I'll run that gaming stream. The nightly streams will right now be Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday will be like the investment streams. Friday will be a gaming stream, and then I'll leave Saturday kind of open for either a gaming stream or just a stream in general, maybe open up fan mail or whatever it may be. Like, it's just going to be kind of up in the air if I want to stream on Saturday or not, or just go ahead and use it as like a family night. So that's going to be where the stream is kind of dropping off, is going to be probably on a Saturday night. It just doesn't seem the most feasible thing to run it on Saturday nights anymore. Like I was saying earlier, some weeks I may only produce 2 season videos. In the case like that, I want to create a different type of film or a idea that I've had in the past that I want to go out and make, that I want to go out and film, that will take some extra time. So if I don't have a season video uploaded that week, or if I miss a few season videos, just know that I am working on other content. I just need to go out and be creative and have some extra time to make that happen. But as far as like YouTube goes, YouTube has always been something that is fun for me and enjoyable for me to produce content. And over the past, I would say past few months, I've lost the ability to be creative, basically in an effort to live out the daily grind on YouTube, so to constantly put out daily content. And my hope with restructuring my channel is to lighten the load, so that way I can first take care of the family, and then secondly free up the mind to be more creative with some of the content I produce. Right now I feel like there's a lack of creativity that's been coming through on the channel. Basically what you guys have been seeing is basically the daily grind of what uploading 3 to 4 pieces of content on YouTube a day looks like, which has definitely taken a toll on a lot of things. So I do kind of want to leave you guys with this. First of all, I just want to say thank you for all the support. I do appreciate it. I do appreciate all the nice comments that I've got over the past couple weeks about, hey, coach, keep it up. Thanks for producing all this content. I really appreciate it. Like, really kind of, I guess, help encourage to keep me moving forward. Because sometimes, I mean, honestly, like, just like anything in life, some days you wake up and you don't feel like doing it. And when you get like a nice comment or whatever, it's like, okay, like I can do it today. Like I can do it today. Somebody appreciates this, because sometimes you get bogged down and you're like, I don't even know if anybody really would care. I will go ahead and put the P.O. box address on the screen right now and place this in the comments section as well as the description. Actually, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and change all the description on all my videos to include that P.O. box address in there. So in case you don't end up watching this video, you'll see the P.O. box address in all the other videos as well. To briefly like kind of run over the address before you guys like jump in on like sending the sunglasses or sending the fan mail. This address is the address to the post office. And then there's the number, which is the P.O. box number. So you don't have to actually like use a P.O. box address. You basically use the mail address to the post office, the address that I provided, and then the number 422. You don't have to put anything in front of the number. It's not an apartment number. All you got to do is put the pound sign and then the number. You know what I mean? So basically, I guess if you put apartment or if you put building number or whatever, basically you'll be paying for shipping for that box, for that package to be returned back to your address. So just keep that in mind when you send it. It's the address exactly as it is in the screen or in the comments. It's nothing more, nothing less. Just make sure to put my name as well, and anything else that you want to do. Basically, the reason for this is it makes it easier if you want to send something that is not USPS. So for instance, if you want to go through UPS, FedEx, DHL, Amazon, or whatever, you can go through them. You don't have to go through USPS. And I'll still basically get the mail. If I only used a P.O. box and you went to send it UPS, it might not get to me. It might just get returned to sender or something like that. But anyways, I'm really excited to see where this thing goes. I'm really excited to start getting sunglasses in the mail. I feel like there are going to be some dumb ones that come through here and also some really cool ones. I hope that this is something that will be enjoyable for you guys that are constantly coming back to the channel. For all the viewers out there that have watched videos, my most recent videos in the past, I just want to say thank you again for the support. I can't say it enough. Like, you guys have no clue how much effect that your views have had on my channel and then also in my life. But I'm excited and anxious for the change moving forward. But I do know that all change that happens grows us as people. And so that's kind of what I'm looking forward to, is the growth that will happen for me personally. I don't know if that will cause my YouTube channel to grow, but I know that me personally, myself, I'll definitely grow as a human being. So we will go ahead and leave it right there. Like I always say, thank you for watching. Actually, like I always say, if you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, M1 Finance, as well as general investing, business, Etsy, coaching, please post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe right here. Check out these 2 videos right here. Wow, it's been a while since I've done this. And don't forget the link. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. See you later.